sour cream first, and I'm going to put on some guacamole second, and then I'm going to dab with a little bit of dabomb. So wish me luck. Okay, so okay, it's got. Let's have a look. And it's can you see it? Okay. Yeah. I can feel the heat rising. Actually, like with condiments and stuff like that, it doesn't taste so bad. I've looked at the ingredients of this, and it's habanero mainly. Habanero and chipotle. Okay, there's no dabs. I can definitely feel the heat with the bomb. I think we should do one on its own, right? Here we go. Oh, it goes up your nose first. You can definitely taste the chipotle with it. But I've got to say, I was quite surprised that even with that dab, it wasn't that bad. I mean, I don't know, like if you have to have some coolant or something before it. But it's a bit bigger now. You can definitely feel it go up the nose. Actually, I think the caramel is worse. It's just like, it just tastes a little bit like synthetic. The taste of the chipotle is a bit heavy. I think that's a kind of like the disgusting thing which they get on the channel. I feel it a little bit in my eyes. I'm gonna have some guacamole. Look at this. Oh yeah, I'm tearing up. Ooh. I'm gonna have some more sour cream. Yeah, I'm making sure I think. Oh my goodness. Now I can feel it in my nose. It's rising, 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 rising. Yeah, I can definitely feel it in my eyes. So if you try this, just make sure you have lots of coolants. Like I've got the guacamole, and I've got the sour cream, which I made myself. What you need to do is, if you want to make sour cream, is put in lime with like Greek yogurt, salt, pepper. If you're new, you can always throw in some garlic or something. So I think right now I'm not going to try any more of the bomb, because I think a few dabs is enough, to be honest. Anyway, if you like this, like, enjoy, and subscribe to Com Aixo.